everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're going to make some Alfredo on the smoker today. Check this out. So we're going to do the no yolks broad noodles. We're going to do one package of these. This is 12 ounces. We're going to get some home style meatballs. This is 2 pounds. We're using half of that bag. All of this garlic. I'm just kidding. We're only going to use about a tablespoon of this garlic. We're going to add some garlic, double garlic butter, white lightning. This stuff is awesome in pretty much everything. We've got our Prego roasted garlic. Well, this is just a garlic theme. Roasted garlic parmesan, Alfredo sauce. And we got some water. You're going to need that for them noodles. Let's get after it. First things first, you guys, we need to get our sauce ready. So like I said, we got a 12-ounce bag of the no-yolk noodles. And for every ounce of noodles, you're going to want to add 1 ounce of water. So we've got a 14.5-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce. You're going to use the whole thing. We're putting that in a bowl. So what we're going to do with this, because there's a bunch of that in there still, is we're going to take some of this water, we're going to dump it in here. Shake it up. We're going to get all of that out of here. We're mixing the water, the seasonings, and the garlic all in this bowl. Got it. We're going to do this tablespoon-ish. And a heaping one of them. This double garlic butter. Add that in there. We're also going to add a spoonful of minced garlic. Heaping-ish. Well, like that. So about a good tablespoonful. We're going to grab a whisk and we're going to whisk this up. All right, when you get all done with that, look at this is really thin. This is really thin, and we're going to want it thin. That's the way we want it, because those egg noodles are going to soak up the no yolk noodles. They're going to soak up all the moisture from this. You're going to have sauced noodles. This is going to be delicious, you guys. Grease, not the noodles, but the pan. Lightly greased. Open your bag of noodles. Get them a little evened out here, right? Look at that. Pour this evenly over top. As you can see, this is not enough. We need to make sure that these noodles are definitely covered in a sauce. So we grabbed another jar, did the same thing. All right, round number 2. And those are dry noodles. Look at that. Make sure they're all tucked into the sauce. You want everything to be covered. Now, home-style meatballs. We're going to take about a pound of these, about half the bag. Place these around here so that we've got them. They're spaced out. They're going to catch some of the smoke. They're going to cook up very nice. Got the smoker set at 400 degrees today, guys. That's where you're going to want yours. There we go. Look at that. So the meatballs are already cooked. We got to get this on the smoker. That's what we got to do. Man, look at that. Look at how good that is. This is going to be awesome. 400 degrees. Right on there. 1 hour, no touching. I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. We're going to take this in and we're going to check it out, but I think this is pretty close to done. We're going to throw some cheese on it, back on the smoker. I'm going to cover this with some cheese. A little bit of mozzarella and a little bit of Parmesan. There we go. I'm going to throw this back on the smoker. Enough time for the cheese to melt, probably about 15 minutes at that 400. Holy cow, you guys. Look at this right here. This is where it's at. Oh, my goodness.
It smells so good.
It absolutely smells delicious.
All that Alfredo sauce thickened up nice.
Yeah, it did, right?
Wow.
That was perfect. Ooh, look at that. All right. That's enough for a taste test. I definitely want to cut into one of these meatballs. I want to try a little bit. Wow. Oh. That is the best. I tell you what, guys, look at that.
That's perfect.
Wow. Oh, well, this is dinner tonight. We're going to go grab our garlic bread off the smoker. And I tell you what, the Z-Grill did an amazing job. Thanks for cooking fettuccine and meatballs with us here at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
That sounds like a different thing, a bag of noodles.
Bag of noodles. Sounds like something you'd see in the Shire.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. You probably want it in your own yard, though, not mine.
If you cook it here, we'll help you eat it.
We'll definitely help you eat it. It doesn't look good?
It does. Say it again.
I thought it looked good. I thought it looked really good.
Oh
Am I just I've had too many old fashions today.
Oh, you and the old fashions.
I'm telling you.
All right, and so strange.
I've got pockets.
I know.
Look at. All we got to do is really get the wall.
Ooh.
And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff with us in it, they're right over here. We're gonna go eat some of this. You go check those out.